As your product is being connected to your home Wi-Fi, I will utilize this time to walk you through the features of the product. This kit includes the following products. This is one small smart plug. This is one big smart plug. This is one Quadra Smart Box. And this is one smart home hub. This is a small smart plug. You can plug into any of your existing appliances to this plug and control it using the mobile app and voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. If you plug in your lamp, you can control it using the mobile app or say the command Alexa, switch on the lamp. Similarly, you can use this with various other appliances like coffee machines, wall-mounted fans, Diwali lights, and much more. This is the biggest smart plug. You can plug in any of your existing high-powered appliances to this plug. If you plug in your air conditioner, then you can switch it on remotely using the mobile app even before reaching home. You can plug in your water geyser to automatically switch it on and off at fixed times during the day. Similarly, you can use with various appliances like water motors, room heaters, and much more. This is one Quadra Smart Box. This product is installed behind an existing switchboard. It converts any 4 switches in that switchboard to smart switches. The installation takes about 15 minutes and the instructions are provided in the mobile app. Please note that your physical switches will keep working as before and you will get additional functionality of app and voice control. This is one smart home hub. This smart home hub is the heart of your home automation ecosystem. You can add any number of smart plugs and smart switches by Oakter to this hub. The hub is like a Wi-Fi router, but it has a longer range so that every corner of your home is under the shade of the oak tree. Thanks for watching and have an awesome smart home experience.